Neenah Foundry, a maker of manhole covers and other iron castings, announced that it plans to close its plant in Lincoln, Nebraska by the end of the year. Nebraska Public Media reported that the company intends to reopen the closed manufacturing facility as a distribution center on January 1st, 2026. Neenah Foundry notified the state labor department that 103 workers would lose their jobs as a result of the permanent shutdown, and noted that the non-union facility would not offer bumping rights. It did not disclose how many people the distribution center will employ. The company stated that it reviewed its production facilities and, despite investing in the Lincoln location over the past 3 years, determined that its operations had, quote, excess manufacturing capacity. It pointed to changes in the castings market, including low-cost imports from India that represent a, quote, meaningful percentage of the domestic market. The Lincoln plant began operating in 1964 as Deere Foundry, which Neenah acquired in 1998. According to the EPA, the site includes a 2-story, nearly 72,000 square foot secondary iron casting foundry, 2 material storage buildings, material storage areas on concrete pavement, and parking lots. Neenah currently operates 2 other manufacturing sites in Miami, Florida, and in its hometown of Neenah, Wisconsin. The company's website lists 12 distribution centers. I'm Nolan Baustine. This is Manufacturing Now.